Hello, Maria. Good morning. It's a beautiful Friday morning, and I am very sleepy. Everybody is like up and running and ready to work, and I'm just couldn't sleep last night. I'm here at Banda Barus Mariang. We're going to set out for fly distribution after this, so it's going to get even harder and harder. It's hot. Starting now. Going to start with this lane. Look at that beautiful bird and this beautiful bird cage. So awesome. The things you find. I look horrible right now, but it's very peaceful here. There's lots of banana trees and a few other things. I'm going to tackle this lane next. So flyers are done. It was hot. It was hard, but it was worth it. And Maria is eating. Hi, Maria. Yeah. Yeesh! This is our new staff at Butik Diliha Banda Barus Mariang. So if you go to Banda Barus Mariang this Ramadan, you will see her. If she did anything wrong, then you just can tell me. Or you can tell Maria when she is not eating. I didn't get to end yesterday's vlog because I was so tired, and in fact after I came back from distributing the flyers, I fell asleep at home for 4 hours. So that was my sleep for the day. And then when I woke up, it was 6:30, and then I went out to dinner. You'll see that clip here. I'm here at Mom's Laksa. I'm trying to eat laksa before Ramadan because I normally don't eat laksa during Ramadan. So if I'm going to have like 1 month fasting from laksa as well, I might as well eat it tonight. This is my very chicken loaded Sarawak laksa bowl with extra lime. Looky what I found. This probably belongs to my Sarah, or my Sarah bought it but she didn't put it away. It means that it's public property. How do you open this? Oh. I'm going to open it because I want to eat it. I'm sorry if you're watching this. Yes, it's me. I ate it. Oh, la, 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 la. Oh, la, la. And by the way, you should have put this in the fridge. Ooh, chocolate cheese tart. I'm gonna get this one. Sealed back the way it was, and now I'm done. And when I came back, that was it. When I came back to dinner after I ate my Sarah's Hokkaido cheese tart, and then I went to bed, and that's it for my day yesterday. So I'm going to end this vlog here and start today's vlog